Okay. Yesterday I think I started with active and passive voice, right? So one more last model form, which I have to make you write. Yeah, yesterday I gave you one chart I made you, right? So continue that, okay? So the next concept we have got is, till there I finished. I'll give examples, but before that, one simple concept is, if it is present, continue there only, plus future, I finished till simple present, past perfect, past continuous, I finished. Yes or no? I gave all that. I went future, will plus be plus participle. But if there are modals, how are you going to act? If it is present plus modals is can, could, suppose, ought to, must. If they give like this, how you have to change. So the 3 or 4 examples I'll give for it, I think that will be enough for you. If it is present plus future modal, how are you going to change? That's very important. So the passive form, what you have to add is, you have to add for everything, please write here, you have to write modal plus be plus past participle. So where you have finished, there you end. In the center of the page you write like this. Then I'll give some examples for it. That is tense, active and passive. Some 2 or 3 examples if I give, I think will be enough for you. So we'll take the first one. There only you continue. Say what I need you write. We'll give some examples. It may be positive or negative, may or may not. Anything it can be. So one example. Ramya may drink milk. This is an active voice, right? I'm giving the tense, that is modals, may or may not. You can take either, dear students. Okay, right. It may be may or may not. These are called as modals. So the active form is Ramya may drink milk. How will it be the passive voice? Milk may. See here, what I told you to add? Be form. Milk may be. Past participle of drink is drunk. Followed by preposition compulsory by Ramya. Simple. This is applicable only for might. No. The milk might be drunk by Ramya. No, dear, no. Milk may be drunk by Ramya. Might is the wrong way here. You cannot change. See, the model does not change. Shreya, spot it. I'll get the next one. They have given here should or should not. Same way. You can give me an example. Should or should not. Revati should not attend the dance program. You can write should or should not. Either you can write it. Isn't a problem. Only I am giving the positive and the negative of it. Okay. This is the positive form and this is the negative form. That's it. So how will you change? Revati should not attain the dance program. How will you change? The dance program. The dance program should not be. Have to add be. should not be verb to attend, past participle. Past participle of attend should not be attended by Revati. See the changes. Same thing what I did yesterday. Only I am giving the models. This can be ought to. You can use sentence ought to. Then must or must not. There are hundreds and hundreds of people. Should or should not. Suppose, supposed to be. Suppose or suppose not. Then may or may not we have given. Then can, cannot. You can write either of it. Can, cannot. So you can write, give your own sentences you can frame. Not visible. If it's visible for you, yes. You can write many sentences like this, you can frame. Even you can be supposed also can be given. Even be supposed can be given. Whatever it is, understand if it is modals. If it is modals, I have to add be plus past participle. That is a simple concept. Any for everything you are adding the same thing, isn't it? But what you have to be careful here is this thing should be there. B is one extra thing you have to add because these are modals. For modals, you have to add B. That is very important. So I'll give some examples today. The dance program should not be attended by Revati. Yes, correct. I didn't see. I just saw now. So I'll give some examples. So they give you from the textbook only. So please read the textbook very carefully. Note to frame in whatever tense it is, based on that you have to change. Available, sir. Sir, available, sir. With your bed. Duster cleanup. So from the textbook, I'll give examples. What set of question papers we have prepared. And from one book I have got, there are totally 8 question papers set. I found this today. So I'll just give some examples for you. How should be your heading? Please take the heading, then give like this. It will be the 26th for your exam. Complete the following by filling the blanks with the right form of verb given in the bracket. So the weightage will be for 3 marks for the examination point of view. Keep this in mind. But as I am giving so many, so this will be the heading for the examination. You have to keep in mind right form of verb. When they give verb, I have to change from, it will be passive voice only, they will not give you the active voice, don't worry. They give the passive form, you have to only write the 2 verbs. I'll take the first one, which I found in the question paper. The gaming, I've done this lesson. The gaming houses dash in the bracket verb is keep in German kingdom because think German is wrong. Russian is wrong. Write the Monaco. Because Monaco had. Because it was a source of revenue dash collect from them. But a few years ago, they dash not be correct. Given a wrong question, I think. The gaming houses in Monaco Kingdom because it was a source of revenue. Then, but a few years ago, okay, I'm sorry again. I'm really very sorry. We'll go for Germans only. Really very sorry. They obey to do so. Okay, they can give you forbade or even forbid is correct. So please don't take that it is wrong because here I'm not happy. Now I saw the question paper. I'm not happy with it. But please take into consideration the German houses. Okay, the gaming houses. This is not visible. Okay. The gaming houses in German kingdom because it was a source of revenue dashed from them, but a few years ago they dashed to do so. As the question is there, we just answer it. The gaming houses, this is a plural form. Houses is a plural form. So the helping verb should also be in the plural form. And the keeps past participle is kept. Word kept in German kingdom because it was a source of revenue. Again, it was because it is a past tense. It is singular. You should write was collected from them, but a few years later, they is a plural form. Again, it is a past tense. It was obeyed. Obeyed is correct. Obeyed, that is wrong. That is forbid is correct. So you write the past tense of forbid is forbid. They were. Okay. Obeyed it cannot be written. Make it as forbid only. Even as a textbook. Forbade only. You cannot write forbidden. That word doesn't come. Because forbid past tense only is forbade. Make it forbid only there. In the bracket write forbade. They have given a wrong question. I think I'll take from these notes only. So see here, why we have written were? Because it is a plural form, houses. Were kept is the past participle of keep is kept. Then source, it is a singular. It was a source of revenue. Was collected because past and singular. Collect, past participle is collected. But a few years ago, they, again plural, were forbade to do so. You're done? Was collected. Were kept. Ah, yes, very good. So we'll go for the second question. You're done with this? If I could dictate, it would be better. Okay, I think this only is better. Take the next one. Second one, the kinglet, stop talking there, felt it very expensive Okay, the second one is again from Tudier. The kinglet felt it was very expensive to keep the criminal in the prison. This is the first statement. But followed is the second statement. So, that is the reason. So, the guard is singular and it is the past tense of the form that is being given. Here, the kinglet felt it was very expensive to keep the criminal in the prison. So, the guard, singular guard, what do you write? Was dismissed. Yes. And the criminal, again singular. Yes. Yes, yes. Namrata, you are answering correctly. And the criminal, again singular, the criminal, as it is the past tense, was paid 1/3 of the annuity in advance and was asked, again singular. We are speaking about the criminal. I hope it's easy. Paid spelling is wrong. Paid spelling is wrong. P-A-I-D. You have written P-A-Y-E-D. That is wrong. Okay. I hope you have done. I'll give the next one. Shall I dictate? It's easy for you to write there attending the class. Just confirm the answer, yes or no. Here, those who are sitting, it's not a problem, but those attending there, it's okay, I dictate the question. No answer. Okay, shall I dictate? It's easy for you. You can write as I say. Or if you want, I'll write, no problem. But it will take long time for me and for you. Okay, I'll go for third one. The judges tried the case, only the dashes I'll write. Your third one, the judges tried the case. The judges tried, T-R-I-E-D, tried the case in the most judicial manner. The judges tried the case in the most judicial manner. In the most judicial manner, full stop. The murderer M-U-R-D-E-R-E-R. The murderer, put a dash there, in the bracket sentence, in the bracket sentence to death. I'll read it that the judges tried the case in the most judicial manner, full stop. The murderer dash in the bracket sentence to death, full stop. As they did not have, continue, as they did not have a machine and an executioner, as they did not have a machine and an executioner, executioner, the person who conducts that machine, the guillotine which he operates, executioner, comma, a letter of request, dash in the bracket send, a letter of request dash in the bracket send to the French government, and prompt reply to the French government and prompt reply dash in the bracket receive, in the bracket receive. In the bracket receive. So shall we begin? The judges tried the case in the most judicial manner. The murderer, yes, because the murderer is singular and it is a past tense, you have to write the past participle of murder is, yes, sentence is sentenced, was sentenced to death, as they did not have machine and an executioner, a letter of request, yes, again, was sentenced singular, was sent singular to the French government and prompt reply singular was received. It should be easy for all of you there. Was sent, was received, yes. One more I'll give from some other lesson. The rest I'll prepare a question paper for you. Then I'll give all the examples. Okay, take the fourth one. Many letters, the fourth one, many letters dash in the bracket write, W-R-I-T-E, many letters dash in the bracket write by, there is a character in this drama, Don Gonzalo, I write his name, Don Gonzalo, that is from Sunny Morning, Don Gonzalo to Laura, she is a female character of the drama, Don Gonzalo to Laura, many letters dash write by Don Gonzalo to Laura, full stop, still no reply, dash in the bracket receive. Still no reply dash in the bracket received by him. He felt, full stop, he felt that they dash in the bracket intercept he felt that they dash intercept by her parents full stop in despair DESPAIR in despair believing in despair believing his love lost to him forever he joined the army Okay, I'll take from next is from Gardner. Before that I finish this. Many letters is a plural form, but it is a past tense also. Many letters were written by Don Gonzalo to Laura. Still no reply, singular, was received by him. He felt that they is a plural form. They were intercepted. Okay, next one I take from Gardner. Okay, I finished that lesson. It will be easy for you. Once, Tammanna, Tammanna. Once Tammanna dash in the bracket a point. Once, Tammanna dash in the bracket a point to look after the garden. The workers were happy. Diksha. The workers were happy as their THEIR as their problems. The workers were happy as their problems dash in the bracket solve. Dash in the bracket solve. Full stop. The income of the garden improved dramatically. The income of the garden improved dramatically. Full stop. But, an unwelcome change. In the owner's lifestyle. But an unwelcome change in the owner's lifestyle dash in the bracket notice dash in the bracket, and right here it is not visible, in the bracket notice I'll continue here, third, fifth one. Notice by his wife. notice by his wife. So what should be your answers? Once Tamanna, yes, singular. Once is past tense. Was appointed to look after the garden. The workers were happy as their problems. Yes, because plural form problems were solved. The income of the garden improved dramatically, but an unwelcome change in the owner's lifestyle, past tense, singular, owner, lifestyle, notice, past tense is, sorry, past participle is noticed. I think it's easy for you. Was solved. Okay, yes, you're kidding. So one I take from Japan. Okay, as it will be easy for you to understand different way they'll be giving, I'll take the next one from Japan. That should be your sixth one. When narrator was in Japan, when narrator was in Japan, when narrator was in Japan, comma, it dash in the bracket observe. When narrator was in Japan, it dash in the bracket observe by him that the telephones by him that the telephones dash in the bracket keep. By him that the telephones dash keep in public places. In public places. Full stop. As courtesy, courtesy, as courtesy substituted, as courtesy substituted privacy, 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 comma, people dash in the bracket not affect. People not affect by the lack of privacy. By the lack of privacy. So next one I'll take from Goto. Okay, so what are the answers? When narrator was in Japan, it, past tense, was observed. Singular by the narrator, it is a past form. Past participle of observe is observed. Observed by him that the telephones, plural iradinda were keep, the past participle is kept in public places as courtesy substituted privacy. People, plural form. Were ಇದನ್ನು change ಮಾಡಂಗಿಲ್ಲ. Not but either the past participle affected. Nodi, may not, cannot, you cannot remove not. It has to be there only because it's a negative form of it. I'll give one from roof, that is from the water. Take the next one. Roof and the elders. Roof and the elders for the seventh one. Roof and the elders were sitting in a room. Roof and the elders were sitting in a room. Full stop. 3 E-H-R-E-E, number 3 shillings, that is coins. S-H-I-L-L-I-N-G. Shillings is coins. I've written there 3 shillings. 3 shillings dash in the bracket give, G-I-V-E. 3 shillings give to each elder. To each elder. Full stop. The elders dash in the bracket request. The elders dash in the bracket request to cast their vote. To cast their vote to cast their vote for Marcus. To cast their vote for Marcus. Marcus is a personality again there. Full stop. When they demanded more money, comma, one more shilling. When they demanded more money, one more shilling dash in the bracket place. It is a verb here. Place is a verb here. One more shilling dash place in front of them. So I'll reread that. Roof and elders were sitting in a room. 3 shillings dash give to each elder. The elders dash request to cast their vote for Marcus. When they demanded more money, one more shilling dash place in front of them. So what is the first one? Roof and the elders were sitting in the room. 3 shillings. Yes, because shillings is a plural form. Were given. You have to see the nearest noun. Were given to each elder. The elders, yes, because elders is a plural form, were requested. Request participle form is requested to cast their vote for Marcus. When they demanded more money, one more shilling, singular, was placed. I'm giving each from a lesson. It will be easy for you. Okay, last but not the least, I'll take one from where there is wheel, W-H-E-L, from that lesson. Take in 1991, in 1991, comma, literacy. In 1991, literacy. In 1991, literacy drive, D-R-I-V-E, literacy drive dash undertake in the bracket. In 1991, literacy drive dash undertake by, it's a character's name again, I'll write it here, by Sheila Rani Chunkar. That is a character, Sheila Rani Chunkar. The name of the person who has played a very dominant role. In 1991, literacy drive dash undertaken by Sheila Rani Chunkar. Full stop. Mobility, M-O-B-I-L-I-T-Y, that is movement. Mobility dash include. Mobility dash include as a part of literacy drive. Mobility dash include in the bracket as a part of literacy drive. full stop. Banks, 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 dash, in the bracket, push, PUSH. Banks, dash, in the bracket, push, to give loans. To give loans for the women. To give loans for the women to buy bicycles. To give loans for the women to buy bicycles. I'll read it that. 1991 literacy drive undertaken by Sheila Rani Chunkar. Mobility include as a part of literacy drive. Banks push to give loans for the women to buy bicycles. So what should be your answer? In 1991 literacy drive, singular, past tense, was undertaken by Sheila Rani Chunkar. Mobility, singular, was included as a part of literacy drive. Banks, plural form, were here pushed is post, were pushed to give loans for the women to buy bicycles. So any doubts? Off and online? Any doubts? Will be able to write 3 out of 3? Only one question will be given for 3 marks. This is just one practice I have done to you. So tomorrow, if possible, I'll send a PDF, including again the questions what I have done today, and those from that textbook, that question paper, question bank which I have found. If it is a better quality, I'll send it. I'll form a PDF. I couldn't do today because I had continuous classes there also. So if you have any doubts, dear students, you can bring to my notice. Please let me know, those who are attending online also. If you have doubts, you can clarify. The only concept you have to remember is I have to write 2 verbs, helping verb, main verb. The main verb has to change into past participle. That's all you have to do. But remember with modals, can, could, must, should, I have to add be to it. They will not give, but you have to add. But if there's a negative form, the negative form also has to be included. You cannot remove anything what has been given in the bracket. Okay? I'll see if I find something good here. I was not happy with this. Okay, this one last one I gave again from the voter. This is a bit nice, that's why I'm giving. Last one. Proves spirit, ROOF apostrophe S. Proves spirits. Proves spirits, SPIRIT, spirits. 9th one, dash, fell. Proves spirits, dash, fell, but he let no one see it. But he let no one see it. Roof's spirit, dash, in the bracket, fell, but he let no one see it. Full stop. All morning, he, in the bracket, dash, in the bracket, mask, not the mask which we are wearing. All morning, he, dash, mask, M-A-S-K, mask, his deep worry, it is a mental thing, his deep worry with a surface exertion, with a surface a surface exertion, that is external appearance. His deep worry with a surface exertion which was unusual. Full stop. By this time, the spring, that is the happiness here in this concept. By this time, the spring had dash go clean out of his work. By this time, the spring dash go clean out of his work. Okay, roof spirits. Spirits were fallen. Yes, spirits is a plural form. Were fallen, but he let no one see it. All morning he. It's wrong, huh? Question itself, I don't know. This is one Dabba question papers I got. So many mistakes, and they come and promote it in every colleges. And those who are unaware about it, they take. Even they give us free actually. All morning he was masked. That's all you can write. Go what you are going to write. Had got. You just cancel this question, I think. No, cancel this question. It's not correct. We have in the textbook. I finished yesterday. No? In this textbook, we have anything? It's again a worst textbook. See, not a single example is being given here. Okay, I'll go in the next hour, don't worry. Because what is given in the textbook is not good. Only page number 22 we can solve, I think, very fast. If you are taking your grammar workbook, we can solve in 5 minutes. Page number 22 from your workbook. I think that one we can do, that's all. That is not good. I think I should not give from there. The train was on fire. Several people were killed. You can keep writing very fast. Several people were killed. The injured were shifted to hospital. The injured were shifted to the hospital. The reason for the fire was unclear. A committee. Yes, because singular. A committee was appointed to investigate the cause of the fire. Next one. A function, singular, was organized to honor the eminent scientist, Professor C.N.R. Rao. He was conferred. The Bharat Ratna. Several dignitaries were invited to the function. Many of his former students and acquaintances were expected to attend. Elaborate arrangements were made for the function. Okay, it's a common. This is one good thing you can write. Saving water is very important. Rain water being the purest form available. Efforts. Yes, because modal should is being given, you should add should be made. Past participle of make is made. Should be made to harvest it. The basic purpose of water harvesting is to conserve water. This, yes, this can be done. You cannot change could. This can be done. You can only change the verb, not the modal. This can be done by storing water in a ground reservoirs. The rooftop harvesting process is quite simple and doesn't cost much. First, the rooftop. Yes. First is to be. It is a present continuous sentence. Is to be cleaned. A pipe is to be inserted and linked to the rooftop as well as the underground reservoirs. Then the water, yes, is to be lifted, is to be filtered before it reaches the underground. You can even write is filtered also is correct. You can skip B because B is or was form. So I think you better remove that B and only write is because it is a form here. See here, the tense is being given to you. Instead of in the B form, you can write is or was. Is a present form, was is a past form. So I think it is cleaned is correct. First, the rooftop is cleaned. A pipe is inserted, linked to the rooftop as well as underground reservoirs. Then the water is filtered. I think this will be correct because we are not going to change the tense. We are only going to change the verb. I'll read it. Please remember, the rooftop harvesting process is quite simple and doesn't cost much. First, the rooftop is cleaned. A pipe is inserted, is filtered. Okay. Fourth one, the bull was tied, singular, past tense, to the tree outside Gafur's house. It was seen. It was seen by the priest Tarak Ratna, who was coming from Zamindar's house. Gafur was blamed, singular, by the priest for starving the bull. Tarak Ratna was sent, S-E-N-T, past participle of send is sent, by Zamindar to talk to Gafur. The rent for the hut was not paid, P-A-I-D, paid by Gafur. The priest told him that if he did not pay it within 3 days, he was asked to leave the hut. So it is a simple past tense. So done. In the next week, I'll try to send the PDF. The next week, I'll start with course book. As because there's another one news that the lessons which are being deleted are not deleted. Again, there's one news today I got that no portions will be deleted for you in all the subjects. I don't know how far it is true because one of my friends who's working there in DDP office, she told me there is a meeting going around that no portions will be deleted. Your exams may or may not conduct in the month of March. We are not sure about it. So the portions will be continued. Okay? Chance is going to be here. Sir, here now, first you see? Allah. Allah. Oh.